Your motorhome is your sanctuary, and your towed vehicle gives you freedom once you arrive. NSA is here to make sure you don't have any issues while towing that vehicle. With an amazing 12,000-pound steel tow bar or our lightweight aluminum tow bar, you get the assurance of a lifetime, no maintenance needed warranty. And if you choose our Hercules or Ready Brute Elite 2 tow bar, you also get an integrated brake system designed into the tow bar. No need to get on your knees to install a brake-in-a-box or pay the high installation cost associated with electronic versions. Enjoy truly proportional braking and the peaceful feeling of an NSA tow bar. If you want a reliable, guaranteed tow bar with integrated braking to haul your vehicle, choose the best. Choose NSA RV.